Hello guys, I have today with me Adidas Original and the name of the shoes are Superstar guys. It's a really nice shoes and I like it really much, and these are Adidas Originals. As you can see here, that's the box. Today I will doing the unboxing. So that's the box. It looks like three famous Adidas old stripes, and when you open it, it will be like this guys. I really like it. So white in color, and you can see three famous Adidas stripes over here, and it's written behind Superstar. So I will show you. Yes guys, so just a complete white shoes with three stripes over here. Behind it's Adidas famous Adidas logo, and in the front, because they are Superstar, so the material is like this, and they stitched from downside, as you can see here, and from the inward side there are also three stripes over here: blue, red, and then again blue guys. And behind there is a stitch of this style, and from the down you can see here the complete flat. It's not written big Adidas over here, only small Adidas written over here, and you can see here that's the pattern from the downsides, and they are flat. And if you see from here, I want to show you, there is a very good firm cushioning. It gives you very comfort from this side. And if we go inside the shoes, the downside is written Adidas, and this sole is really comfortable. It's very soft sole guys. I will show you how does this look like. 1 second. So when I remove this paper, you can see from downside as well, there is Adidas logo, and it's also written Adidas. And if you see here downside, the cushioning is really soft guys, and you can see material from inside as well, and it's written about the size, making, and everything over here. Okay guys, and this cushion, this foam is really comfortable guys, so when you wear it you really feel nice guys. And these are the laces pattern over here, and it's really a nice shoes. I like it really much guys. So from the front it looks like that. There is a lines over here, and there is a stitches. If you see here, there is the stitches over here, and these are the laces pattern guys. So, and there is a famous Adidas logo in front. So these shoes are really good with jeans, especially blue color jeans, or any lifestyle pattern. It looks really nice with shorts, any casual wear. It looks really good guys. So I really enjoyed it wearing them. So I hope you like the shoes, and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.